Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building a Simple Image Classifier with TensorFlow, PyTorch. Imagine teaching a computer to tell the difference between a cat and a dog. Just like a child learns. That's image classification. We'll use code to train a computer to recognize patterns in images and categorize them. Think of TensorFlow, PyTorch as powerful toolboxes filled with pre-built functions for AI. We'll use these tools to build our image classifier without having to write everything from scratch. It's like using pre-made Lego bricks instead of individual plastic pieces. Just like you need ingredients for a recipe, our AI needs data, lots of pictures of cats and dogs. We need to organize this data so the computer understands it. Think of it as sorting ingredients before baking a cake. Now, we write the code that tells the computer how to learn from the images. This is like writing a recipe that the computer follows to distinguish cats from dogs. We'll use simple code blocks to define this recipe. This is where the magic happens. We train the model by showing it lots of cat and dog pictures. The computer adjusts its recipe model based on what it sees, getting better at distinguishing them over time, like a baker refining a cake recipe through trial and error. After training, we test our classifier with new pictures it hasn't seen before. This is like tasting the cake to see if it's delicious. We check how accurately it identifies cats and dogs. If our model isn't perfect, we can tweak its recipe, adjust the code, and train it again. It's an iterative process, just like improving a cake recipe to make it even better. Image classification is used everywhere, from self-driving cars identifying objects to medical imaging. It's a powerful AI technique with many uses. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.